Welcome back to Crypto Meets AI. Jerry here with an update for you. Do me a favor, friends. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment down below. It really does help the algorithm. Now let's get into this. We're sitting at $3.27, trading within a range of 321 to 334. We're up almost 2% on the day, pretty much running flat. We seem to be trading sideways for the last 24 hours. We'll see where we go from here, but we may be consolidating. And a little food for thought here. RP's market cap is $196 billion. XDC's is $1.49 billion. You guys understand yet? It's going to be a lot easier for XDC's market cap to 10 or 20x than it will be XRP. Just numbers. It's just facts. It's just math. And here are some facts about XDC Network and the recently listed XDC token. The XDC Network is an EVM-compatible layer 1 focused on trade finance and real-world asset tokenization. XDC uses a delegated proof of stake as their consensus mechanism to provide security and scalability. Vert Capital, a Brazilian credit firm, recently announced plans to use XDC to tokenize nearly $1 billion in real-world assets. I keep on telling you guys, it doesn't matter what coin we're talking about, the institutions are here, and we're celebrating 6 years of mainnet. XDC Network's journey of impact and innovation since 8 years. The XDC Network was introduced in 2017 by Zenfin. And on June 1st, 2019, the XDC Network launched its mainnet, marking the beginning of a journey to revolutionize global trade finance, payment and settlement layer for enterprise and asset tokenization through enterprise-grade blockchain infrastructure. Today, we are proudly celebrating 6 years of resilience, innovation, and real-world adoption. Network highlights: 798 million transactions processed, 89 million blocks produced, 261 validators decentralized globally, 1.2 million accounts created, and 168 smart contracts deployed. Major milestones: XDC 2.0 protocol upgrade for performance and security. Solidity 0.8.23 support, plus Etherscan integration. XDC Explorer V2 with NFT, AI, and real-time data. Layer 0 integration for cross-chain interoperability. Account abstraction with Gasless DApp experience. Enterprise integrations at scale. It's trusted by institutions like SBI Japan, Deutsche Telekom, Securitize, Archax, Rackdale, and more. 500 million plus in tokenized real-world assets. AUDD launching on XDC for payments and trade tokenization, and Zanzibar blockchain sandbox with national government support. Driving TradFi transformation. TradFi network launch plus XDC network digitalizing LCs, invoices, and e-bowls. Recognized in UK Parliament and TFD initiative member. Seamless crypto to fiat off-ramping via XDC Cash, 100 plus countries. Empowering the builders. XDC Ventures Accelerator with plug and play. Tenity, Rackdale. Oxcamp and XDC Forum nurturing global developer talent, RWA and AI. Presence at major global events. Consensus, Token 2049, WebEx Asia. It's good to see that the XDC network has been live and running well for the last 6 years and is with no downtime from what I understand. And Justin, XDC co-founder, confirms XDC ETF application will be filed with the SEC in the coming weeks.
Oh, amazing testimony to the approach of XDC and certainly the company that you're keeping. So no wonder you're having such fine success. Ritesh, again, without giving away any secret sauce, can you share with us a bit about what's next? What's the roadmap looking like?
First of all, we are like sitting on a very interesting time, and we are also excited about tech side. We did XDC 2.0, and like it's become very stable. It's a very secure network now. Just recently we launched ETP for XDC in European region with Euronext. 21 share is our issuers for ETP. And now the best part is we are going to apply for ETF.
You hear that? I don't know if you're hearing it first, but hearing it early, that's exciting.
Yeah, it's a very exclusive one that we are going to launch ETF. So we are applying with SEC within like a couple of weeks.
And honestly, all these ETPs and ETFs that are going to be filed and will be approved eventually aren't going to compare to what the executive order that was signed a couple of days ago, allowing your 401k to be investing in cryptocurrency. That there alone is going to mean more than any ETP or ETF that gets listed. And BlackRock's secret bet on XDC is finally coming to light. And the truth is more shocking than anyone expected. This wasn't random. It was strategic. It was planned. And it's happening right now behind the scenes of traditional finance. And I have to admit, BlackRock is tokenizing on the XDC network. What you have to understand is all these tokens and coins and blockchains are all interconnected. That's why the XDC network is EVM compatible. That's why the XRP network is EVM compatible. You're going to notice and you're going to see that they're all working together. They're going to all be interconnected, a multi-token system. The future of real estate and finance is here. Archax, Verseprop, Spitfire, Dazon, and XDC Network just executed a full-scale tokenized commercial real estate finance deal. This isn't hype. This is institutional-grade tokenization, live and working. Regulated exchange, real estate-backed lending, EVM smart contracts on XDC, lower cost, more liquidity, global access. This sets the precedent for real-world finance on-chain, and XDC is right at the core. Trillions are coming to Web3. Position early and get ready, or you will be left behind. And the question is, could XDC become the hub of global trade finance? Here's why long-term projections are bullish.
What's your thoughts on XDC and where it could go? Super bullish on the network and the token for trade finance. I think that's they're the pure winner for sure in that area. And really their network lends themselves really well to being able to tokenize anything that's a derivative that has value. So like a warrant against gold or a debt note, those types of things, I think will end up on that network. Trade finance alone, I think you could easily see, $1 to $5 XDC. And again, that's just the volume for trade finance moving over that network in that application. And then if you were to see, other debt notes and warrants and things like that tokenized there, then it could be, I think over the long term, XDC's top is going to be somewhere between 25 and $50. And that's my guess, right? I would love for it to go much higher than that. I know a lot of people would also, but just based on market action, volumes, use case, all those things, that's my anticipated price targets for that token.
Now keep in mind, if XDC was to go from 9 cents where it's at now to $50, that would be a 55,000% increase. You're never going to see those type of returns anywhere else, ever. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology at its infancy is going to be the biggest transfer of wealth in human history. And Gamma Game is live, introducing FlipCoin V2, the first game powered by Gamma V2 on the XDC network. Why FlipCoin V2? It's 100% on chain, powered by Go plugin VRF. Zero house edge. Every bet burns Gamma. It's fair, it's fast, it's fire. Let the flips begin. And this sure sounds like a gambling token if you ask me. And we're proud to unveil EquitEdge whitepaper, now live on our official website. Built on XDC Network, EquitEdge is redefining real-world asset tokenization, solving critical inefficiencies in global asset management and unlocking new investment possibilities. If you believe in the power of blockchain, AI, and the token economy to transform real estate, private equity, and beyond, this is your blueprint. And they said XDC was sleeping, but this is a full-blown pivot to real-world dominance. Gasless subnets, validator NFTs, DeFi, gaming, Internet of Things, and enterprise, all with no wallets or friction. This is the blueprint for mass adoption. I've seen this playbook before, and I'm not fading it. Well, that's what I have for you folks. Until next time, stay savvy, stay stacking, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment down below. And if you want more crypto deep dives, check out our videos right here on Crypto Meets AI. Thank you for watching. Remember to always do your own research. This is not financial advice.